Picture this. You pull into a shop for a routine diesel service. Mechanic comes back with a clipboard. 4 injectors are failing. Parts and labour. $6,200. You need to decide today because the truck is already on the lift. That moment happens to diesel truck owners every single day across the United States. And almost every single time, it was preventable. Not with expensive dealer treatments. Not with a subscription fuel system service. With $4 worth of powder that Japanese commercial truck mechanics have been adding to fuel tanks since 1983. The same mechanics keeping Hino and Isuzu trucks running past 980,000 kilometers on their original injectors. While identical engines in Western markets are averaging injector failure before 200,000 kilometers. Same fuel system, same combustion pressures, same duty cycle. $4 compound. Completely different outcome. Here is what actually destroys diesel injectors. Modern common rail diesel systems operate at injection pressures between 1,800 and 2,500 bar. At those pressures, even microscopic particles, carbon deposits measured in microns, change the spray pattern coming out of the injector tip. A healthy injector produces a precise cone-shaped spray that atomizes fuel completely before combustion. A partially coked injector produces an uneven spray. Uneven spray means incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion means more carbon. More carbon means faster coking. The cycle accelerates until the injector stops metering fuel accurately, and the engine management system flags it as failed. This process starts from the first tank of fuel you put in the truck. Carbon buildup on injector tips is not a maintenance failure. It is a chemistry problem, and Japanese diesel engineers solved it in 1983 with a compound that changes the combustion chemistry before carbon ever gets the chance to form. The compound is cerium oxide, chemical formula CO2, a rare earth metal oxide that has been used as a combustion catalyst in industrial furnace and gas turbine applications since the 1960s. At the concentrations Japanese domestic market fuel specifications require, it does two things simultaneously that no hydrocarbon-based fuel additive can replicate. First, it acts as a catalytic combustion promoter. CO2 nanoparticles enter the combustion chamber with every injection event and lower the activation energy required for complete fuel oxidation. Combustion is more complete. Less unburned hydrocarbon reaches the injector tip on the return cycle. Less unburned hydrocarbon means less carbon precursor available to form deposits. Second, and more importantly, it acts as a carbon oxidation catalyst on surfaces that have already accumulated deposits. At diesel combustion temperatures, CO2 promotes the oxidation of existing carbon deposits on injector tips, converting them back to carbon dioxide and removing them from the surface continuously during normal operation. The injector tip does not just stop accumulating carbon, it actively cleans itself on every combustion cycle. A peer-reviewed study, published in Fuel Journal in 2017, measured injector tip carbon deposits in test engines running standard, ultra-low sulfur diesel versus diesel treated with CO2 at Japanese domestic specification concentration. After 300 hours of operation, equivalent to approximately 18,000 miles of mixed driving, the CO2-treated engines showed 74% less injector tip deposit formation. The study was independently replicated by 2 research groups. The results have never been contested. Now pull up the safety data sheet on any premium diesel fuel additive sold in Western markets. Arcoil AR6200, Stanodyne Performance Formula, Power Service Diesel Clean. Cerium compounds appear in the active ingredient disclosure of every high-performance formulation. They take $4 worth of raw CO2 nanopowder, dilute it in a petroleum carrier at minimal effective concentration, put it in a branded bottle, and sell it back to you for $30 to $55. The chemistry is identical. The concentration is a fraction of what Japanese domestic fuel specifications require. Because full concentration keeps injectors clean permanently, reduced concentration keeps them clean enough that you feel the product is working, while the underlying deposit cycle continues building toward the failure they are waiting to sell you. A long-haul freight operator running 14 Hino 500 series trucks out of Sapporo has been documenting CO2 fuel treatments across his entire fleet since 2009. His oldest active vehicle, a 2007 Hino 500 with the E13C engine, crossed 980,000 kilometers last year. Original injectors, original fuel pump, 0 injector replacements across the entire 14-vehicle fleet in 15 years of continuous highway operation. His annual fuel system maintenance cost per vehicle, $12. A comparable long-haul fleet operating out of Dallas, with the same vehicle class and mileage profile, averages injector replacement on at least 2 cylinders per truck at 180,000 kilometers. At current common rail injector replacement cost of $1,400 per injector, that fleet spends over $48,000 per year on injector replacements across a comparable operation. $12 a year versus $48,000 a year. That gap exists because one fleet manager knew about a $4 compound and one did not. Here is exactly what to do. Search for technical grade cerium oxide nanopowder, listed as CO2 on any industrial supply website. Particle size should be under 100 nanometers, listed as technical grade or catalyst grade. A 50-gram bag costs $4 to $6, including shipping, and covers 10 to 12 complete fuel tank treatments. Add 1 gram of CO2 powder per 60 litres of diesel fuel. Mix the powder into 100 millilitres of diesel in a small container, stir for 60 seconds, and pour the suspension into your tank before filling. The fuel agitation during filling distributes it evenly. Treat every tank for the first 3 fills if your injectors already have existing deposits. After that, treat every 3rd tank for ongoing prevention. Total annual cost, $8 to $15 depending on your mileage. The result after 3 treated tanks is measurable. Smoother idle, cleaner throttle response. In turbocharged applications, faster spool. These are not placebo effects. They are the mechanical signature of injector tips recovering their designed spray pattern. Japanese diesel engineers documented this in 1983. Hino fleet operators proved it across 40 years of commercial operation. The $28 billion injector replacement industry spent those same 40 years ensuring the compound concentration in every Western market fuel additive stayed low enough to generate the failures they were built around. $4, $12 a year. That is the distance between your injectors and a $6,000 quote on a clipboard. Subscribe and share this with every diesel truck owner you know. The next video covers the $3 turbo bearing compound that authorized Hino and Isuzu mechanics apply at every 50,000 kilometer service interval, a treatment that operates at temperatures up to 1,200 degrees Celsius, where standard oil film has already failed completely. If your truck is turbocharged and you have never heard of tungsten disulfide, you need to see that before your next service.